Hello farmer friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agrijivan Farming. Today in this video we will talk about, if you prepare pig feed on the farm, then which grains should be used in pig feed and in what quantity. While preparing pig feed, the amount of four components energy, protein, calcium and phosphorus is balanced in the pig feed. We will talk about how much amount of energy, protein, calcium and phosphorus should be in the feed for creeper pig, grower pig, finisher pig, breeding pig and lactating female pig in the next video. Today in this video we will only talk about the grains that fulfill the energy in pig feed and along with it the sources of protein, calcium and phosphorus. So you must watch this video till the end, so that when you prepare pig feed on your farm, you know which grain should be included in pig feed and in what quantity. So before we talk further on this video, we want to give an important information to all the farmer friends, that if you are a new pig farmer, and you do not know about pig farming, and along with this you want to get information about preparing feed for pigs on your farm and their feed formulas, then you must read the pig farming training course book published by our organization Agrijivan. This book is available in 11 different languages: Hindi, English, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Assamese, Bengali, Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, Oriya. Along with making feed, complete information about pig farming is also given in this book. If you want to buy this book, then its link is given in the description. Home delivery and case on delivery of this book is available. To get more information about the book, you can also call or message on our WhatsApp number. So in this video we will discuss 4 topics. First, energy sources for feed, which is grains. Second, protein sources for feed, which includes soya cake and other oilseeds, grain cakes and fish meal etc. Third, calcium sources in feed, which includes feed supplements and other calcium supplements added to the feed. Fourth, phosphorus sources for feed, which includes some other supplements added to pig feed to supplement phosphorus. So let's talk about the first topic. That is grains. Grains make up between 55 to 70% of the total pig feed mix. Grains in the mix mainly provide energy. Although grains are primarily an energy source with low protein content, it also contributes significantly to the protein content of the feed mix. The grains that are included in pig feed are as follows. Maize. Maize is used as a source of energy in pig feed, because it has high digestible energy content and low protein, so maize is used mainly as an energy source in pig feed. Sorghum. Sorghum has similar nutritional value to maize. But pig farmers should make sure that only sweet sorghum varieties which have low tannin content are used in pig feed. If maize is more expensive in your area, you can use about 50% sorghum in place of maize in pig feed. Wheat. Wheat is also an important grain to be included in pig feed. Wheat has less energy than maize, so it should not be included in pig feed in large quantities. But when maize is available at a higher price in your area, wheat can be included up to 20% in place of maize. Protein content in wheat is usually higher than maize and digestible energy content is lower than maize, so using wheat instead of maize in pig feed can save a lot of protein cost. Wheat should always be coarsely ground for pig feed. We will talk about how finely the grain should be ground while making pig feed in the upcoming video. Very finely ground wheat flour gets converted into flour after entering the pig's stomach, and it will be indigestible for the pig, which will cause constipation for the pig. Therefore wheat should always be coarsely ground. Barley. Barley is mainly used by pig farmers in Western countries as an alternative to grain in pig feed. It has a higher fiber content and lower digestible energy content than other grains. Barley should not comprise more than 70% of the grain component in pig feed. Oats. Oats may be used in place of cereals in pig feeds, but because of their high fiber content should not exceed 40% in the feed of grower pigs and 60% or more in the feed of finzer. Wheat chaff. The first question that comes up is, where do we get wheat chaff from? Wheat chaff, the wheat material that remains after wheat food is made in the food factory, is called wheat chaff. It contains up to 80% wheat husk. It is a better food for pig feed than the main grain of wheat, because it contains more protein than wheat and it does not convert into flour in the stomach of the pig as compared to wheat. Although it contains more fiber than the main grain of wheat, but there is nothing to worry because its fiber is digestible, i.e. its fiber can be easily digested by pigs. Wheat chaff is the most popular energy reducer used in pig feed. When the digestible energy in the pig feed becomes high, it is used to reduce it. It is usually cost effective and has a laxative effect in pigs. When pig feed or grain becomes expensive in the market, other feed sources such as corn husk, corn leaves, corn stalks, corn cob and lucerne can be used along with the pig feed. Corn husk. Corn husk is the corn substance left after the corn meal is made in the feed factory. It contains up to 80% corn husk. Hominy chop, a byproduct of the corn milling industry, can be used in pig feed if available at an affordable price. It has a higher fat content than corn and can be used in place of corn up to 50%. But the quality of it must be reliable from where we are buying it. Now let us talk about the second topic. That is protein sources. There are many types of protein sources, which are included in pig feed, which are as follows. First, oilcake meals, also known as DOC. Plant protein sources such as soybean oil cake meal, sunflower oil cake meal, peanut oil cake meal and cottonseed meal are included in pig feed to supplement protein requirement. Soybean oil cake is a high and better quality protein and has much less fiber than sunflower oil cake. Secondly, the second type of protein source is full fat oil seeds. Full fat soybean and sunflower seed meal have high oil content. Therefore, the inclusion of these protein sources in pig feed should be less and they should be included only in the feed of finisher pigs. Full fat grains contain a substance called trypsin inhibitor. The substance is an indigestible substance in full fat oil seeds, which makes the pig feed indigestible. Therefore, it is necessary to bake or boil or roast it before including it in pig feed. In simple words, full fat oilseed grains should be heat treated before including it in pig feed. Watch other videos to know about heat treating grains. Third, the third type of protein source is animal protein sources. Byproducts of livestock and fishing industry can be used as protein sources in pig feed. Fish meal, also known as fish meal, is the most commonly used and best protein source for inclusion in pig feed as well as other animal feeds. It also has high energy content. Fourth, the fourth type of protein source is blood and carcass meal, also known as blood meal. Its nutritional value is very high. However, do not use more than 5% of it in pig feed. The reason for this is that it can affect the taste of the feed, as it is not tasty. Pig farmers should keep in mind that blood meal burns easily during processing. This has a detrimental effect on its protein quality. Carcass meal can vary considerably in composition and quality because manufacturers use different products and processing methods. Heat damage during processing can reduce the quality of protein in carcass meal. Therefore, our organization Agrijeevan advises that wherever you buy blood meal, you must check the amount of protein in it. Now let's talk about the third topic of the video. That is sources of calcium. Table lime is a good and cheap source of calcium for pig feed, and it is not very expensive. But it does not contain phosphate, and from the point of view of safety and based on modern pig farming, we should use veterinary calcium powder. For more information about veterinary calcium powder, you can call or message on our WhatsApp number. Now we talk about the fourth topic of the video. That is, source of phosphorus for feed. Phosphorus is an important nutrient for good and rapid growth of pigs, which is very important to be used in pig feed. If we talk about the fulfillment of phosphorus in pig feed, then phosphorus in pig feed is fulfilled by the grains included in pig feed. During the digestion process in the body of pig, phytase enzyme is released, which breaks the phytate present in the grain into simple molecules of phosphorus. In this way, phosphorus for the growth of pig's body is fulfilled by grains. But there is a problem in pig farming regarding the fulfillment of phosphorus. Small piglets are not able to digest grains properly. Therefore, many other nutrients along with phosphorus are not fulfilled for the growth of pig's body. There are two main reasons for this. The first reason, when piglets are on milk, they have a habit of swallowing milk directly, and when after weaning, the babies are brought to feed, they do not get rid of their habit of swallowing milk so quickly, and they also swallow grains directly, and due to this they are not able to chew the grains properly. As a result of this, carbohydrate enzyme is not secreted from the salivary gland of the pig's mouth and in the body of the pig. This carbohydrate enzyme is secreted only from the salivary gland of the pig's mouth, and this enzyme breaks down the starch present in the feed into glucose. And glucose is an important nutrient in the growth of the pig, which is in the form of carbohydrate in the body of the pig. Second reason, The digestive system of piglets is not developed enough to secrete enzymes in their pancreas and large intestine and small intestine properly, and these enzymes break down all the nutrients present in the feed into such simple components that they can be absorbed by the pig's body. The enzymes are not released properly in the digestive system of piglets, so we need to include enzymes separately in the pig feed. We will talk about which enzymes should be included in the pig feed and from where you can get these enzymes in the next video. If you want to get more information about pig farming, you can message or call on our WhatsApp number. Pig farming training is also given by our organization AgriJeevan. To get information about pig farming training from our organization AgriJeevan, you can call or message on our WhatsApp number. Along with this, pig farmers who are from other states and are not able to take pig farming training in our organization AgriJeevan. For them, our organization AgriJeevan has published Part 1 Pig Farming Training Course and Part 2 Information about including fruits and vegetables from Sabzi Mandi in pig feed and their feed formula book. If you want to get complete information about pig farming, then you can also buy the Pig Farming Training Course book, the link of which is given in the description. So farmer friends, how did you like this video of ours? If you liked it, then like this video and share this video with all pig farmers. To watch such videos continuously in future, please subscribe to our YouTube channel AgriJeevan.